there's emotion. When you build something hands-on for you to live or use, for you to be part of it, you have a sense of relationship with that space. You remember every brick that you put in there. You connect to it, so you hold more responsibility to maintain it, so that makes it sustainable. My name is Samira, and I'm the founder of Needlab. Needlab is a non-profit architectural research organization based in Barcelona, but working in different continents, working with different materials, mainly researching how we can help communities solve architectural issues. We stand by the motto of for the people, by the people, of the people, and we are of the opinion architecture is responsible for making lives better. Bee Project was done in collaboration with open source beehives. When we saw the scale of problem within the villages, we're looking at 1/10 the humanity here. These people are living in rural regions, no electricity, completely cut off the grid. We're looking at options, how we can help them or solve some of the issues they have, which was provide alternate livelihood options. They're mostly dependent on agriculture, which is season dependent. We wanted to give them an option B, something that's not invasive, less time consuming. And we thought of beekeeping. It's like a farmer has a 60,000 army of bees helping him. We are suggesting beekeeping as an alternative to regions which has this luxury of flora and fauna year long. So it creates actually different types of honey. Different flowers, different seasons. There's propolis, there's wax, there's a lot that comes in this package. And what we're aiming to do is start small cooperatives within the communities. We want them to be connected among themselves. We want them to help each other out, share information, what worked for them, what didn't work for them, learn more from each other and grow. In Kuwait, we use sand, which was locally available in abundance, and we added energy to it, made it into a brick. We designed it, analyzed it, built it with craftsmen, students. We had Egyptian workers. And why did we have them? Because we were working with sand, and each unit of the sand bricks were 7 kilos. Egyptians in the history have a very good relationship with heavy stone constructions, so they knew how to deal with the material. We had 30 people on site who were trained during the process of the construction of a structure. After learning from this, they can go ahead and scale this. At the end, we have a structure which is informed with data, which is solar, structural, and built for the community to use. Ho Chi Minh City densities increased so much that there's about 2 square meters green space available per person. So there's a lack of green space per capita. And what we try to do is balance this out by building up a vertical garden. The structure is growing bamboo. The people who built it can have their complete meal from their rooftop vertical garden. The spinach they need for their pho, the pumpkins, the creepers, all of it. It increases the green carpet of the city. It's not taking more surface area, it's more vertical. The community we built it for, part of an organization called LP for Youth, which takes street kids who've had troubled backgrounds, they've had abusive childhoods, some of them have never been to schools. They started to learn how to build, they started to learn how to farm, they start to understand material. These youth who learned from us will be sharing the same information and they will build it again and again and again.
Ông ban lao Mỹ lúc này mà với cột được cái hệ trên này đẹp nữa.
Anh ơi, anh quên cái hai dòng nữa rồi.
We're connecting the maker with the material provider, with the student, with the tutor of the university, with the factories which are making this in each country. And these people are able to talk to each other. They're able to build more. They're able to replicate what we did 100 times. A whole idea is sharing this motto, this idea of building from what's beneath your feet to make a difference, to create impact. The power of architecture that is able to do this is the direction we should look into.